Hello everyone, this is Fire Centaur aka Paul Pribish reporting to you live in Second Life. Today I want to show you a new Sloodle set we have here for Sloodle version 1.0. The Sloodle set has been redesigned to be a little more sleek looking. It kind of looks like one of those power converters you might have in real life on your land. Here it is. It's a lot smaller than the old set, and its main function is to house all of the other Sloodle tools. So inside this nice little panel, you'll find all of the new tools that we have for Sloodle 1.0. And it's kind of cool because it opens and closes. It's got a little door here. And the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to connect this to our Moodle site. And once it's connected, I'm going to click on the Res Me button, and that will res all of the tools for Sloodle 1.0. So let's get started. Okay, now there are two ways to connect the Sloodle set to your website, to Moodle. You could do that either through the web configuration approach or through the note card setup approach. And I'm going to show you quickly the web setup approach. What we're going to do is we're going to click on Connect to Moodle. And in the chat window, if you click on local chat, you'll see that it says Sloodle set. Please chat the address of your Moodle site. So I'm going to type in the address of my Moodle site here on chat, englishvillage.asia/Sloodle, and I'm going to press enter. And when I do that, the Sloodle set will send me a little blue dialog window here, and it'll say, use this link to configure the object. So I'm going to press go to page. And first of all, I'm going to have to log in. And when I log in, it'll directly take me to this page, this object authorization page that says object details. Object name is a Sloodle 1.0 set. Object UUID, that's the unique identifier of the Sloodle set that you've res. Don't worry about that. And then it's going to say Sloodle object authorization, select a controller. So I'm going to have to select a controller for this course. Now, if you haven't set up a controller, you're going to have to do so first. So I've already got a controller set up. So I'm going to select the Sloodle 101 controller, and I'm going to press submit. And it says object authorization has been successful. So now I can just go back, I just close this window, and I can go back into Second Life, and I can click on connect to Moodle one more time, and a little window comes up, and it says press 0 to access web configuration page. That's where we just were. Or press 1 to download the configuration. I'm going to press 1, and the connect Moodle turns green, which means the connection has been successful. Now I can just click on the Res Me button, and I'll get a whole list of options of different tools that I can res. So I can res, for example, let's see, what can I res here? How about we res a presenter? So I'm going to press number 8, and a presenter will come into view, and I can go about configuring this. Or I could click on the Res Me button, and I could click number 3 for a Sloodle choice, and a Sloodle choice will be resed. So now you can use this Sloodle set to res all the different tools. And that's our simple set. Now let me show you the other way that you can configure this. I'm going to show you the note card approach. Okay, so the other way that you can configure this set is using the note card configuration approach. And I actually prefer this one because it has a number of advantages, which I'll tell you in a minute. So in order to create a note card to configure this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our website, and we're going to look for our Sloodle controller. So here's my Sloodle controller. And when I click on it, it's going to show me a whole list of the different tools that we have for Sloodle. So it shows the access checker, the choice, login zone, map marker, the metagloss, password reset, presenter, prim drop, quiz chair, quiz pylon, registration enrollment booth, Sloodle set, vending machine, and web intercom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Sloodle set, and I get the page that says generate note card. So I'm going to click on generate note card. And what this does is it will create a bunch of settings. Now these are all the configuration settings that we need to save into a note card in Second Life. So I'm just going to highlight these all, and I'm going to press Control C on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go back into Second Life. I'm going to open up my inventory, and we're going to create a note card. So I'm going to go up to Create, and then go down to Create New Note. Now if you click on the Recent Items tab, you'll see that there's your new note. So immediately I'm going to right click this and choose Rename. I'm going to name it to Sloodle_config. And that should all be in lowercase. Okay, now in the note card itself, I'm going to press Control V from the copied text that we copied off the website, and I'm going to press Save. And now it's saved. So now, if I right-click on the Sloodle set, I'll open up my edit window, and I click on the Content tab. You'll see all the contents, all the different scripts that are inside the Sloodle set. So don't touch those. Instead, what we're going to do is I'm going to click on the Sloodle config that we've just created. I'm going to drag it into the contents of the Sloodle set. And immediately you'll notice that the Sloodle set says reading configuration, and boom, it's configured. That's all there is to creating a Sloodle, configuring a Sloodle set using the note card. So now we can open it up, and we can start resing the tools just like we did before. So this time I'm going to res number 6, which is the password reset.